Hello guys, welcome back to Cook and Barbecue 24/7. Today I have a great recipe here behind me. I'm ready to share with you guys. So hey, let's get cooking. Here we are. We have my large Hamilton Beach slow cooker set to high on 10 hours. And I like to get this thing nice and hot, get it going. And also I'm going to show you guys a picture. I have about 6 to 7 cups of water with a quarter cup of pink sea salt, preheating on boil on high, getting that hot and ready to dump in the pot with the meat, the bell peppers, the onions, and the peanuts. Here we are. We're starting off with 3 pieces of smoked turkey. Use whatever you have. If you have smoked ham hocks, neck bones, smoked turkey, smoked sausage, use what you have to incorporate this good flavor. And this is one large jalapeno pepper sliced up pretty thin. And I just had a quarter of an onion. I diced that up and put that in there. And about 4 or 5 pieces cloves of garlic that's chopped up, rough chopped. And I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of black pepper. Then I'm going to add another 3 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning, and that's going to give us that good flavor, a little bit of heat, and that good color. And here we are. We're about to add about 4 tablespoons of paprika. That's going to get us that nice flavor and color. Not too hot, but you can get a little pepper flavoring from it. And now I'm about to add about 2 cups of that boiling hot sea salt water that we got on the stove preheating. And just to get all these flavors incorporated, get the seasoning dissolved, get the meat coated, get the vegetables under the water, and just get everything going. Everyone, if you're enjoying this video so far, please consider subscribing to the channel where you'll be the first to see my barbecue, family recipes, and crockpot videos. Thank you. Just like that, it's time for me to add the peanuts. And all I have is green peanuts that I bought last summer, and I've had them in the freezer until now. And I just thaw them out, rinse them off, and get them in the crock pot with some flavoring and let them go. Here are the peanuts. And all we're going to do now is bring that hot water that we had boiling on the stove, bring that up to that level, almost as high as possible, because you're going to evaporate and the peanuts are going to soak up a lot of the liquid. Add the water, give this a good stir, get those flavors incorporated, and just set it and forget it. Hey everyone, I'm looking for some more crockpot recipes. In the comments below, share with me your favorite family recipes during the week, weekends, and holidays, and I would love to try those on this channel. Thank you. And as I'm stirring, I'm tasting the liquid to make sure it's seasoned and salted. And we needed some more salt and some more Old Bay seasoning. So I added about 2 to 3 tablespoons more salt and about another 3 to 4 tablespoons of Old Bay and get this thing seasoned before we can have a nice flavorful set of peanuts. And what I also do now, I set my heat down to low for 10 hours. And I normally do this overnight. Make sure it has enough water, low for 10 hours. And I go to bed and then check it again in the morning. All right, they're all done, ready to go to bed overnight. 10 hours on low, has plenty of water. Set it and forget it. Here we are. We're at the 10-hour mark the next morning. We're going to check these peanuts out, make sure, see if they're done, see if they have enough liquid in there, and see where we're at. Wow, it's coming along very, very well. The flavor is good. The peanuts is not as soft as I want, and they haven't soaked up the flavor as much as I want. So we're going to add some more water. It's daytime now. I'm moving around the house. We're going to go back to high and let them cook and continue to cook and get soft and get more flavorful. Here we are. We're at the 14-hour mark, and this is what we want. We want the peanuts to be soft. They're soaked. They're sinking to the bottom. That means they're very heavy, full of liquid, and that flavorful stock we made with the turkey, the spices, onions, and peppers. And man, these turned out great. I'm going to give them one final stir. You see all the peppers, the onions, the seeds, the smoked turkey. This came out very, very good. These were great. They were very spicy, very flavorful, giving you that Cajun Louisiana flavor. And my family and friends love them. Also, if you're not a big fan of spice, check out my seasoned ball peanuts, where I just did a lot of house spices, and those are good too, but not as spicy, not as much heat. Very flavorful. Guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all your support. Until next week, cook and barbecue 24/7.